So that's how I'm gonna have it for stealth camping. Not quite sure where we're gonna camp at yet, but I'll figure out when that comes. I just got 4 sleeping bags laid down, and we're just gonna, it's pretty hot, so we're just probably just gonna have 1 blanket. Obviously the crate's gonna move, and in the front we're gonna have the visor up, so that's how it's gonna be. So stay tuned for, I'm running into the store to grab something to eat for tonight's stealth camping video, so I'll record a little bit once I get in there. So I got some vanilla yogurt for Kenzie because that's what she likes. I'm gonna try to go and find an amp for her right now, see if they have any. So let's see. Alright, they didn't have the amp she wants, so I'm going to go and find something for her to eat. I actually did find an amp. I looked everywhere, but I found one, so I'm gonna head up to stealth camp video tonight at Sportsman right here. They do have security, so that patrols the area every once in a while, so hopefully I don't get a knock on the window in the middle of the night. But this is going to be camping right here, right over the light right there. And I'll show you the setup when I get in there, and we got some food to show you. But let's see how this goes, and hopefully we don't get a knock on the window. That'd be nice. Me standing out here is probably causing, because the main road's right there, so probably a lot of attention is being brought to me standing out here. There's a main road right there too, so any cop that passes will see I'm the only vehicle in the Sportsman parking lot right here. So hopefully that does not happen. But I'm gonna get in the car, and once I'm in there I will show you guys what I got to eat. And just, it's a pretty simple setup, nothing like fancy, just some sleeping bags. So I'll show you once I get in there. So this is literally our setup right now. I just have like 4 sleeping bags and a pillow, and we got some food. I have a little tray back here I'll show you guys when I get to the food situation. But
speaking of food, I am so freaking hungry.
And there's Sportsman, I think, or
Sportsman warehouse. Sure,
yeah,
next to Red Robin.
yeah. So
We don't have the dogs with us.
it's just us right now, so
Yeah.
but I'm going to get the food out right now and turn off this light for a minute so no one sees us with the light on, so we don't get the cops over here. So I'll let you guys go at the moment. Alright guys, this is what we brought to eat. Brought some of these, they're Snap It Cheez-Its. They're pretty good. They're what flavor are they?
They're like onion, cheese and onion or something.
Yeah, they're onion ring flavor with cheese, obviously, and just a couple bags of chips, just to snack on in the night if you get hungry. Just some barbecue and Doritos. So got those, and I made these earlier. They're cinnamon rolls, 2 of them. They're gonna be pretty delicious.
I wish they were warm.
For dessert. Then I made me an egg sandwich with mayonnaise, egg, some seasoning. I can't quite remember what it is.
Garlic, probably.
Yeah, garlic, and some
Do you know what you're talking about?
Tabasco.
Yeah.
I put on there too. So, oh, and I got this if I can find it. Just gonna be good for a snack. Honey ham links.
Oh, can I have that right now? I'm so hungry. I only ate a yogurt or something.
So she didn't know about those, but I'm going to eat a little bit here. Steak sandwich. Pretty good. Something quick and simple. Probably caught like a lot of attention with this light on. And I don't have any blinds on the windows at all. So I know I need to make this situation a little bit better, but just trying to get out and do something. That's good. We haven't really ate.
These chips will forever be the best. Oh, it looks kind of like a rose.
Okay. Sorry, there's a car pulling in. I hope it's not a car meet so the cops come over here.
I know, that's exactly what I was just thinking.
What time is it?
It's like 10.
It's 10:20. Okay. Move the other way. Sorry about that. See if I get these open. Want to open those? I can't get them open with one hand. Oh, that was easy. So these snappers are pretty bomb.
I like the way shot.
I'm watching out for that car.
Isn't that it?
No. Well, that car had a muffler on it.
This is gonna be like my first time trying these because I don't know if I like them.
Smooth.
Sour cream and onion.
Yeah, sour cream and onion. That's what she said. Okay. That car left. It's good.
I always use this hack with the flip flop. I roll them up so you have like a little bowl.
That's really good. Okay. A little bite. Pretty good. You don't like it? It's from Hickory Farms.
I like it, but it has like that weird texture.
What's the casing of it?
Alright. There's a car over there.
Yeah.
Try the light off.
I gotta turn off the light real quick. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you guys go right now so I can eat, and if anything interesting happens throughout the night, I will definitely
I'm all warm.
let you guys know. But I gotta let you go because there's some more cars coming over this way. So I'll catch you guys in a bit if anything. So it looks like we made it. There's a few cars that passed. It's around 6:30 right now. So I'm gonna try to get the car situated so we get out of here before Sportsman opens here soon. But before I do that, will show you guys the setup real quick from outside the car. So Alright guys, that was just how we had it set up. Literally just sleeping bags. It is pretty warm, so
Oh, I was fucking warm.
can't complain too much.
Weighted blankets. Oh, are you okay?
So, but we made it anyways, so as sportsmen, so can't complain. I just need to get the car situated because got all the crap up here. So I'm gonna get that situated real quick. Alright guys, so just got everything packed up. Cars are starting to come over there. So there's a car actually coming right there. Look at what I'm doing. So just trying to get the car warmed up right now so we can get out of here. I'll show you our spot real quick. It's a spot, literally main road right there. Sportsman warehouse right there. There was a cop that came right in here, around, and went behind the building and parked right over there, and eventually came out over there and came back around. Didn't check on us, but pretty sure it was looking at us, curious to what we're doing. So, but I'm gonna get out here, get home, get a coffee. I used the restroom pretty bad, so I will do a quick time lapse getting home. And alright guys, so just got home. Gonna get some of the stuff out of the car, and if you guys like this video, if you guys go and subscribe, smash the like button, hit the notification bell,
He'll be notified when he uploads a new video.
I'd appreciate it. And let me know if I should do more videos like this, and go down into the descriptions and follow the social medias if you want. But I'm gonna get this car cleaned out, then go and lay down for a little bit more. So you guys have a great day or night, wherever you guys are.